Hi, this is Rob Leo, and in this tutorial we're going to take a look at another tool from Classtools.net. This one is going to simulate text messaging between two historical figures or two literary figures. Last week we looked at Facebook, where you can set up a Facebook-like account to have posts from historical characters and kind of write messages in the spirit of those people. This time we'll look at an SMS Generator, short messaging service, or text messaging. And what we'll do is just click on this, and they're going to pull up the directions. So you're going to use the icons below to create a chat between two historical or fictional characters. One speech bubble indicates one person. The other speech bubble indicates the second person. You're going to save it, where you just simply put in a password that you want to write down. The gear will let you share. The new will let you generate a new one. So let's just start by talking to two historical characters. I'm going to pretend I'm talking between Brutus and Caesar. And then we'll have Caesar respond back. Alrighty, and if I wanted to, I could continue with this conversation, although it's going to be a relatively short one by the 15th. So the pencil lets you edit if you want to make changes. The X lets you delete it, and then you can drag the messages and reorder them if you choose to. So pretty easy to use, just a matter of developing some kind of script so that you can identify who the characters are and what kind of conversation they might have in the context of history or literature. From there, let's just save it so we can password protect it. I'm just going to say Wildcats will be my password. And then the next step we'll do is share it. So once I say the screen blinked a little bit, now I'm going to use the gear icon to share it. And I can continue my conversation. Obviously, you can keep doing speech bubbles back and forth. But you can have a link, you can have an embed code, you can have a QR code, or you can download the web shortcut. We're going to use the URL link. That's the easiest way to do it. So I'm just going to highlight that and copy it. And I'm going to open up a new incognito window on my browser, so I'm not logged into anything. I'm going to paste that in, and it should take me to my conversation. So students would want to copy that link and turn in their work. Obviously, you have some annoying ads here as well. Anyway, you notice that the commands on the bottom of the screen have changed, but this would be the finished product. And if the student does want to make changes, they can click the pencil icon down at the bottom. They'll be prompted to enter their password. So it's important to write that down. And then from there, the full set of commands will show up. This link can be shared in Google Classroom and turned into the teacher as an assignment, or it can simply be posted on the classroom stream if you choose to allow students to post. But again, a relatively easy way for students to demonstrate what they've learned in history or ELA classes, and then potentially share that back with the teacher through a simulated text message. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.